Welcome to the Highway Oversize Overweight Credentialing System, also known as HOOCS, user tutorial videos. This video offers users a few helpful hints to navigate the HOOCS permitting system effectively and with ease at hoocs.dot.ny.gov. This and other tutorial videos can be found by clicking the Help button at the top right of the company dashboard and on the landing page once the Logout button is clicked. Help is provided throughout the system. A question mark icon is displayed if a field has a help message associated. Hovering over the icon displays a brief explanation of the field. Clicking on the icon will display a detailed help message. There are several informative links directly on the help page. Information on this screen includes tutorial videos where users can access this video and others like it, information on permitting rules and regulations for the state of New York, and permit office contact information. HOOCS offers several great features that can be accessed straight from your company dashboard. The administrative panel links are located on the upper left-hand side. These links perform different functions regarding the company account. The Bridge Finder link will bring you to the posted bridge website and display the bridges throughout New York. The Company Data link will display the Company Data screen, where some company information and vehicles can be edited if the user is listed as a supervisor on the account. If the user has a status of user, clicking on the Company Data link will allow the user to edit their own name, email, and phone number. The Company Data screen will also display bond information. Users with a status of supervisor can edit company information such as the DBA name, primary email contact, default delivery method, contacts, terminals, certain user information like phone numbers, and vehicles. The Vehicles section contains all of the vehicles your company has stored in the system. To edit a vehicle, select the vehicle from the drop-down list and click the Edit button. On this screen, you can change the unit number, vehicle type, make, year, VIN, plate, plate state, and to which terminal the vehicle belongs. You can add new vehicles by selecting the New button. There is a separate video located on the page Help at the top right of the dashboard titled Importing Vehicles. Clicking the Home button will bring you back to the dashboard. The Escrow link in the administrative panel will allow users to manage their escrow accounts, add money for purchasing permits, print escrow statements, and print deposit escrow forms. The Reports link on the dashboard will allow users to generate a reconciliation report for company record keeping. The Customer Support panel is also located on the left side under the Administrative panel. Click the Request Support Callback icon, which will allow users to leave a telephone number, email address, and a brief note addressing concerns. Please note that responses will take 1 business day. In the upper right-hand corner of the company dashboard are the Help and Logout buttons. The Help button will display the HOOCS user and tutorial guide screen, which offers detailed help regarding the use of HOOCS, New York contact information and agencies, and other helpful information. The Logout button will log users out of HOOCS and display the HOOCS landing page. The shopping cart is located in the upper right corner of the company dashboard. It shows the permits awaiting payment. The shopping cart can also be opened in the administrative panel on the dashboard. The number of permits awaiting payment will populate between the parentheses. Clicking the link will display the shopping cart. The Messages panel located on the right side of the dashboard under the shopping cart keeps users informed with important updates concerning HOOCS. Another feature the company dashboard provides is being able to view and print any issued and not expired permit directly from the dashboard. Click on an issued permit number hyperlink as long as the permit still has a status of issued. This will open your permit so you can view and print the PDF directly from here. The dashboard can show up to 200 permits at a time. After scrolling to the bottom of the company dashboard, from the Show drop-down list, select the amount of records to display. This will pull up all permit types and all permit statuses for easier access to any permits started, unfinished, pending, issued, or expired. To search for specific permits on the company dashboard, click the Expand chevron icons next to the Search Permits hyperlink to open the search criteria. Select the criteria for which you want to search, such as the permit number, permit type, VIN, or dates. Type the required information into the empty field based on the search by criteria and click the Go button. The dashboard will now list all permits for your company meeting the search criteria. Clicking the hyperlink column titles directly on the dashboard will sort the permits listed on the dashboard by permit number or ID, type, submitted, or status. The select link in the action column on the dashboard performs a variety of actions. Any permits on your dashboard with a status of unfinished can be cleared from the dashboard by clicking the select hyperlink in the action column. Choose Cancel from the ensuing list of actions. Click OK from the Are you sure you wish to delete this permit message that displays. The permit will be cleared from the dashboard. Alternatively, unfinished permits can be resumed, changing information as needed to issue a new permit. Some permits on the dashboard with a status of issued can be copied by clicking the select link in the action column. Click Select, then Copy Permit. This will create a new permit of the same permit type with today's start date. From here, the start date, any vehicle information, and the route can be edited as needed. This is extremely helpful when there has been a previously ordered permit with a difficult route, or if a permit is needed with a lot of the same information. If for some reason additional copy of a permit is needed, HOOCS has a resend feature to resend the PDF. Click the select link in the action column and then choose View Permit. This will display the permit details screen. If an email or fax number was entered during the order permits process, it will display in the Delivered By field, and clicking the fax or email icon will resend the permit to the email or fax. If web download was chosen during the order permits process and the permit is needed by fax or email, enter a fax number or email in the Resend by Fax or Email to text box. Click the email or fax icon to resend the PDF. A permit may be resent only if it has a status of issued. The permit details screen will also display any information input during the order permits process, including vehicle information, changes made, configurations, and payments made. HOOCS will also allow you to add several vehicles without having to order separate permits when you need multiple power units for a load with the same dimensions and route. Start your new permit as normal. Once the truck and load information screen is displayed, click the Add Power Unit icon in the top left corner next to the Vehicle Inventory drop-down list. This will add an additional permit for the separate power unit. You can add as many or as few power units as you need. This concludes the HOOCS user tutorial video showing users some helpful hints while navigating the permitting system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, more videos are available for your convenience.